tutorials. So we are back with another feature, another tutorial. This feature is of Zoom paid live. Okay, so first log in into triggerexam.com. This is your admin panel, as you know. So when you open triggerexam.com, you have two buttons: login, register. So just log in, as you have already registered, so you need to log in. And now you can put your username and password, which you have already if you bought our software, our product. Okay, now go to manage live videos. Okay, I need to delete this one. Okay, so now we are in manage live video section. Okay, so what we will do, we will add one video, and what will be selected for Zoom paid live, always select Zoom live paid, anything, testing Zoom paid live. Okay, suppose title will be anything, it's according to your lecture what you are giving, and subject is chemistry, time schedule is 15th January 5. Okay, it's good. Now 60 minutes of lecture will be taken by me, so I'm typing 60. Active status should be active, submit. Now the second step will be to add this particular lecture in any of the video series, that video series which is already being assigned to any of the packages. So either you can click here in the video series, or you can directly add it from here. So I am going to add it from here. It is easy to add it from here. So assign to series and get MEV and then save. Okay, so now you are done with it. Now the third step is click in this view live class details. Okay, and start Zoom class. Okay, you need to use this username and this password in this Zoom lecture. So sign in to start. So I think Zoom 2 and this. Okay, so I think this password is not correct. Let me put that one which is being shown here. So this password, you have to use this username and password always. This is username, this is password to sign in with the Zoom, with the paid Zoom. Launch meeting. Okay, open link. Alright, here we go. You are inside the Zoom. So now you can take the classes. So what is the advantage of this feature? Let me tell you one thing. Now when you teach, you are inside Zoom, you know, but students will sorry for this, students need not have to open the Zoom. So what is the advantage of this feature? Now your lecture is being live on the Zoom in your admin panel. Your students will be opening this lecture in your app. So when they open this lecture in your app, when they click on that particular lecture icon over the app, they need not have to go to the Zoom. The particular lecture will only open inside the app. They need not have to leave that our app, your particular institute app or Trigger Exam app. They need to have stick over there, because Zoom will be opening inside the app. Okay, so this is the advantage of this particular feature. They need not have to jump to Zoom. Okay, so hope you like it. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment here. We will reach out to you. And if you like this video, then subscribe this channel and hit like button. Okay, thanks for watching.